here is the guest bathroom. You can see the laminate wood floors continue. It looks like this bathroom has been upgraded. It has a beautiful glass sink. Welcome friends. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Today's an open house video located here in the Villages, Florida, in the village of Palo Alto. We do have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco courtyard villa. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today is an open house video located here in the village of Palo Alto, here in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom courtyard villa model that is constructed out of block and stucco today. As I walk up the driveway is cement and it is in very good condition. It does have a 1.5 car garage. And as always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact the listing agent, Cissie Smith, or the showing agent, Carly, and I will provide her information as well. Here we are. You do notice that the yard is a stone yard on both sides. So there's very low maintenance. And these courtyard villas are very popular for those individuals that want very little maintenance. And for those individuals that have pets, because these courtyard villas will have a fenced-in backyard. Let's go inside and take a look. Hello, Carly. Can you tell us a little bit about this home?
Yes, welcome to this 2-2 La Paloma Villa located in the village of Palo Alto.
Very good. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom home, right?
Correct.
That's located in the village of Palo Alto. And the first thing I notice, friends, is this beautiful laminate floor that continues throughout this home. Very high ceilings as well that has an acoustic texture. Here in the front, you do have a dining area as well, and the living room area is toward the back of the home. You do have an enclosed lanai that has either windows or acrylic. We will take a look at that a little bit later. Off to the right side, you will see a bedroom and a bathroom, and you can see these beautiful laminate floors continuing. Here is the first guest bedroom in this home. You can see that the ceilings are nice and high. It is acoustic texture on the ceiling. And I will video, friends, the specification sheet of this home to give you an idea of the size and the dimensions of these rooms. Here I stand in the corner of the guest bedroom, and you can see it does have sliding closet doors. Very neutrally colored as well. You can see the inside of the closet. Has a wire rack shelf. You can see that the laminate floors are in the closet as well. As we exit into the hallway area, here is the guest bathroom. You can see the laminate wood floors continue. It looks like this bathroom has been upgraded. It has a beautiful glass sink inside. Very high acoustic textured ceilings as well. It does have a tub and shower module that appears to be made out of fiberglass or plastic. Very nice, very comfortable home. I know some of my subscribers would like to see the inside of the pantry. So there is the pantry in the hallway of the guest bathroom. That is your pantry closet right there. Here we are off into the living room area. You can see very high ceilings with acoustic texture in this home. Very light, very neutrally colored. Off to the back of the home, you will see the master bedroom. And you can see the laminate wood floors continue in the master bedroom. Just for perspective, friends, that is a king-size bed, and the dimensions of the master bedroom are 12 feet by 12 feet. So you can see by perspective, that's a king-size bed. Very high ceilings with acoustic texture in this home. Walking off into the corner, you will see a walk-in closet and a master bathroom in this room as well. Here we go into the master closet. You'll see those laminate wood floors continuing in the master closet. There are closet organizing shelves in here. Very high ceilings as well. Very nice. Here we are in the master bathroom. You see the laminate floors are continuing in the master bathroom. It has one sink in it with white cabinets, very high ceilings with acoustic texture. You do see what appears to me to be a 36-inch shower module that is made of fiberglass or plastic. Very high acoustic texture ceilings. It does have a glass shower door as well. And there is the commode. Here's the master bedroom. Off the master bedroom, you will see sliding glass doors that lead out into the lanai. And that is where we will go next, friends. Let's walk out into that lanai area and see what that has to offer. This is a temperature-controlled lanai, which is awesome. And you can see the temperature control. You can see the heating duct and the air conditioning duct in the ceiling. That glass door does lead off into the master bedroom. Very nice enclosed lanai with appears to be acrylic windows. And you can see that the wood laminate floors continue in the lanai area as well. This home is made out of block and stucco, for your information, and it is located in the village of Palo Alto, here in the Villages, Florida. And you can see that you have no neighbors in the back of this home. This home does have a bird cage, lanai out the back. Here is the bird cage. Very nice. There is the back of the home. And you don't have any neighbors. Very nice and secluded. It has stone in the backyard, mature landscaping. Very nice. This patio area does have painted cement floors on it. Very nice. I will walk out to the backyard and video the yard and see what the yard looks like. This is the side of the home. You can see a patio area here. You do have a patio door that leads off into the dining room area of the home. The backyard on this home is awesome. You have privacy in this backyard. Let's take a walk into the backyard. I will give you the directions of this home a little bit later in the video. But that is your backyard here. Very private backyard. That is the back of your home, friends. It has a bird cage. It has a temperature controlled lanai. Very mature landscaping as well. Let's go walk back into the home. This home is list priced for $340,000. It is a courtyard villa made of block and stucco. And it is located in the village of Palo Alto. And it is part of the La Paloma Villas here in the Villages, Florida. Let's go back inside and take a look. Here we are back in the home. I did not video the kitchen area yet. Let's go into the kitchen and take a video of that as well. I will also video the specification sheet. There's that patio door that I mentioned leads off into the dining area. Here is the kitchen area. You can see that the kitchen area appears to have Formica countertops. It has white cabinets with brushed stainless hardware. It has an electric stove. And it has a single bowl stainless sink. That sink is very large. And it appears to have a tile backsplash. Next, I will go into the garage area just to give you an idea of what the kitchen looks like. I'll pan around to the front of the home. That is your kitchen area. Let's go into the garage. This is a 1.5 car garage in this Courtyard villa, block and stucco. That's your water heater in the corner. This is your 1.5 car garage. You would be able to fit a car and a golf cart in here comfortably. It does appear to have a whole home water filtration system as well. There is your laundry area. It is in the garage right there. It has white cabinets above your laundry. And there is your mechanicals. That is your HVAC system right there. Let's take a walk back into the home. I will video the street. I know a lot of my subscribers want to see the panoramic view of the street in this neighborhood. And I will walk outside and take a video of the street. But before we head outside, let's video the specification sheet so everybody has an idea of where this home is located. Please contact either the listing agent, Cissie Smith, or the showing agent, Carly, and I will provide both their information. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom Courtyard villa. List price $340,000. It is located in the village of Palo Alto, here in the Villages, Florida. And as always, please pause the video if you would like to read the specification sheet. Here's the second page of the specification sheet. The primary bedroom is 12 by 12. Living room is 20 by 15. And it does have rain gutters. There you are, folks. I'll head out to the front of the home. I'll take a panoramic view of the street. I'll give you the directions of the street. Very quiet neighborhood. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. As we are heading out into the street, I will take a panoramic view of the street, both left and right. Here we are in the street. The front of the home is facing west. That's facing west. And that is your home, friends. The back of the home would be facing east. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Your home is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom Courtyard villa that is made of block and stucco, located here in the village of Palo Alto, in the Villages, Florida. Thank you, friends, for subscribing and liking my videos. Take care. Thank you for joining this open house video today in the village of Palo Alto, here in the Villages, Florida. This is a block and stucco Courtyard villa. It's a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. I hope you enjoyed the tour.